Advanced features of NCCV meter. Measuring AC current or even voltage on the wire in a tight space is impossible through a clamp meter. Now, a unique patented non-contact meter from MEET, able to measure AC current and voltage in such tight space. Through scanned mode, measure AC current and voltage on a diameter 16 mm squared single core cable. Place the NCCV sensor firmly on the L1 cable and then press that scan button to start the measurement. Wait until a beep sound stops with steady green-red lights up. A reading with 220 volt on top and 9.5 AC display on the screen. Move to the second phase L2 cable and place the NCCV sensor firmly and then press the scan button. Wait until steady green-red lights up. A reading with 219 volt with 10.2 AC display on the screen. Move to the third phase L3 cable and do the same procedure. The reading with 220 volt and 8.2 AC will display on the screen. During measuring, because of the uneven shape of the cable, you may adjust slightly the NCCV sensor, which is located on the cable, enabled to cover more accurate data. Place the NCCV sensor on the neutral cable to measure the current. Reading display 6.1 AC, but no voltage display. Two ways of measuring 3-cores cable. Measuring AC current and voltage on 3-core diameter 0.75 mm squared cable. According to the cable size shown on the cable, select and set the same size accordingly on the meter. Place the NCCV sensor firmly onto the cable and then press once the scan button. Move slowly and evenly to and fro on the cable. Observe the green-red LED stop blinking with short beep sound. Readings with 218 volt and 0.2 AC display on the screen. The 3-core cable carries live wire with 218 volts and 0.2 A current flows. Alternatively, another way to take measurement is, you may place the NCCV sensor onto the wire firmly and then press once the scan button, scroll the wire or rotate the sensor on the cable during measurement. A short beep with green-red LED stop blinking indicates the reading on the screen is 220 volt with 0.2 AC current. Measuring voltage and current on a single core cable. Measuring voltage and current on a diameter 35 mm squared single core cable located in a very tight space. NCCD, non-contact current detection, on an armored cable. NCCD, non-contact current detection on an armored cable. The cable is shielded to the ground earth, carrying high AC current flowing. Non-contact meter detects high AC current flows inside shielded armored cable. Larger the current flowing inside the cable, higher the reading display on the meter or greater the detecting distance increased. Non-contact meter measures current and voltage and distinguish level neutral wire on 2-core flat cable. Measuring AC current and voltage on a double-sheath 2-core flat cable. According to the measuring 2-core flat cable size, it is 2-core and 0.75 mm squared cable. Please set the meter accordingly as shown. Place the NCCV sensor onto the one side of the flat cable and then press the scan button. Move the sensor slightly up and down or trace along during measurement until a beep sound with green LED stop blinking. Reading with N and 2.2 AC display on the screen means 2.2 A AC current flowing through the neutral wire. Flip the 2-core flat cable over. Turn the flat cable on the other side to take another measurement and place the sensor onto the wire. Then press once the scan button and slightly moving that sensor up and down or trace along during measurement until a beep and LED stop blinking. Reading with 226 volt and 2.4 AC display on the screen. It is a live wire with 226 volts carried 2.4 ampere current. Non-contact meter through external Bluetooth wireless module transmit and receive data from smartphone or tablet. After wireless connected with smartphone or tablet, we could view many information transmitted from non-contact meter. RMS voltage, peak voltage, RMS current, inrush current, frequency, power factor, wire cable information, effective power, reactive power, CO emissions. To view digital display page, please tap once on smartphone, tablet screen. Through digital display page, we could select operating functions. Tap the button to select corresponding function.